living entities are wandering from one planet to another, transmigrating from one body to another, trying to experience varieties of sense enjoyment like illicit sex, intoxication, gambling, meat eating. But all their attempts meet with frustration. The more one tries to enjoy, the more one is frustrated. In Bhagavad Gita, Shri Krishna says, Karanam guna sangostya sadasad yoni janmasu. Because of attachment to material existence, the living entity is constantly transmigrating from one body to another, born sometimes as a demigod, sometimes as a man, sometimes as a beast, as a bird, as a worm, as an aquatic animal, as a bug, etc. The spirit soul is pure in nature, but due to its association with the three modes of material nature, the living entity becomes conditioned. Material nature consists of three modes: goodness, passion, and ignorance. If we align our actions to be in the mode of goodness, then we are automatically elevated to the mode of goodness. So, by changing our lifestyle, we can reduce the influence of the lower modes and come to the platform of goodness. Bhagavad Gita explains that food which is in the mode of goodness are sweet, juicy, fattening, and palatable, which increases the duration of life, purifies one's existence, and gives strength, health, happiness, and satisfaction. For example, milk products, sugar, rice, wheat, fruits, and vegetables. Split peas, dal, whole wheat, etc. are sources of protein, while milk, butter, and cheese are sources of fat. Food which are in the mode of passion are too bitter, too sour, salty, pungent, dry, and hot. Such foodstuffs cause pain, distress, and disease by producing mucus in the stomach. Food overly mixed with red pepper, coffee, and tea are in mode of passion. Foodstuffs in the mode of ignorance are tasteless, stale, decomposed, and unclean. Such foodstuffs increases infection or disease. Consuming food cooked for more than 3 hours earlier, untouchable things like meat, liquor, egg, animal fat, etc., and remnants of food are in mode of ignorance. If we avoid food in the mode of passion and ignorance and accept only food that is in the mode of goodness, then we can make advancement and situate ourselves on the platform of goodness. There are 3 types of austerities: austerities of the body, speech, and mind. If we perform austerities and penances for pleasing the Supreme Lord, then we can be elevated to the mode of goodness. Krishna consciousness offers a different approach of transcending the modes of material nature. 1. Chanting the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Nam Kirtana. 2. Worshipping the deities, Shri Murtira Shraddhaya Sevana. 3. Hearing the Srimad Bhagavatam every day, Bhagavat Shravana. 4. Residing at Mathura, Mathura Vas. 5. Associating with devotees, Sadhu Sangha. 6. Offering food to the Lord and accepting it as prasadam. It is stated in the Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela 17.22. Kali Kale Nama Rupe Krishna Avatara. In this age of Kali, the holy name of the Lord is the incarnation of Lord Shri Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam 4.3.23 states, Sattvam Vishuddham Vasudeva Shabditam. Lord Krishna is the reservoir of Vishuddha Sattva, pure goodness, which is beyond the three modes of material nature. He is pure goodness, Pavitram. Therefore, when we associate with the holy names by chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, we will be influenced by transcendental goodness and transcend the three modes of material nature. Remember, never leave the association of the Lord. Spiritualize yourself so that the lower modes cannot touch you. Then the process of self-control becomes very easy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hare Krishna.